Okay, so thanks for tuning into George's Car Vids this evening. I'm actually off work. I had to run to the other store and drop a vehicle off. They've actually got something that I picked up that may be a good car for my stepson. So we're trying to replace this Camry. The Lincoln didn't quite work out the way we wanted it to, but this is a vehicle we traded for a while back and we sent to the auction and it didn't sell. So we're going to take a look at it, see if it's something that we think will be suitable. I've driven it about 11 miles so far, and so far so good. No check engine lights, it's got TPMS light on. It's going to need probably a little bit of body work, but we'll take a look at it here in just a second. So here it is a 2011 Subaru Legacy, I think limited. So I mean, off the bat you're going to notice we can try to hang that on a little bit better, but this does have a salvage title. So here's the weird thing on this one: we pull auto check at work. So the dealership, we pull auto check. So when I pull this, it shows not actual mileage, no accident history, but I went ahead and paid for a Carfax through a way that I know how to get one on the low. So I went ahead and paid for the Carfax, and the Carfax does show this was insurance total loss, which I'm assuming going to be total loss for what you see in the front. Everything else on this thing looks good. Tires are in fairly good shape. Look at the fronts. Yeah, I mean, they've definitely got some meat on them. It felt like it drove good. I didn't notice it pulling. I mean, we'll have to definitely look at putting a bumper on it. You've got broken fog light down there, so we'll have to look at, I think I see a fog light button on this thing. And I see a little bit of, we'll probably need the rear support as well. But this would be an inexpensive car. The kid doesn't drive well anyway, so you know, 108,000 miles, so the miles are decent. We're gonna fire it up and hop on the inside, and I'll show you that next. Okay, so it does have this little aftermarket remote start. We'll see if we can get it to work. I got to work earlier. If I gotta hold it, there we go. These things are always weird. Maybe a slight exhaust leak, I don't know. Air blows cold. It's already got tinted windows, and it's got another little spot. It's got a little hickey up there, but I ain't gonna worry about that. It's a kid's car. Let me unlock these doors. Well, you gotta use the other fob. So you've got power seat, power lumbar, power windows, power locks. It's all-wheel drive, power mirrors. You've got steering wheel audio controls. It's got paddle shifters, which is nice. And it shuts off just as soon as you put your foot on the brake. So we'll go ahead and start it back up. It's at 108,000 miles. We'll turn the air down. Got TPMS light on. I'll see if a sensor's bad, or I may just have a low tire. I didn't check the air pressure on it before I left, but you've got steering wheel audio controls. It's got factory radio. Turn that down. Let's just see. I always like to see if somebody left CD in here. I did not find one. So it's got satellite radio capabilities, but I don't think anybody's installed the satellite radio. The air blows cold. The interior in this thing is really in good shape. I mean, you've got carpeted, I think those are factory mats. I'm gonna throw this stuff on the floor. But I mean, seats are in good shape. I mean, the miles are good. I'll show you in the back. It's got Subaru all-weather mats in the back. Rear seats look to be in really good shape. I mean, the interior of this car is really nice. Smells good, doesn't stink on the inside. Yeah, it's a partial zero emission. It's got symmetrical all-wheel drive. All the Subarus are all-wheel drive, which is kind of cool. It'd be nice for the kid. I kind of like little ground effects on it. It's not a bad looking little car. Do a little cosmetic stuff. Mechanically, it seems like it runs good. It's got heated seats. The heated seats work. I got it running. I mean, it's nice and quiet. Like I said, the interior of this thing's in really good shape. Let's hop in and take it for a little spin to the house. Well, the cool thing is the school's only a couple blocks from my house, so we'll head out this exit. Short little drive home. Like I said, I put, I think, right at 12 miles on it from the other store, and feels like it runs pretty strong. I mean, other than, you know, what you see on that front bumper, which I think will be pretty easy to fix. I think I can fix it pretty cheap, and then this will be a pretty nice, good looking car for a first time driver. The all-wheel drive I kind of like for him, especially in inclement weather. It'll be rather nice. Sorry, yawning a little bit. It is definitely a Monday. I don't know what day this video is going to come out, but it is Monday for me. I mean, brakes feel good. It feels solid. Steers good. I don't hear anything clunking. Let me get this shut off. I'm almost to the house, and maybe we'll pop the hood and take a look. I'm gonna bring the kid out and see what he thinks. All right, so it is the next day, and we are headed back to work. I have put about 45 miles on this car so far, and so far so good. I mean, this thing drives magnificent. I got the bumper stuck back on. I'm trying to figure out, I see fog lights on the front, but there are no fog lights. There is not a fog light switch in this car, so I don't know if maybe it has the wrong front bumper on it, possibly. Who knows? But I'm gonna do some digging and try to figure out, do the fog lights just come on with the headlights? Because when I turned the headlights on, the fog lights didn't come on, and I have searched high and low and cannot find a switch. The only other little thing that I noticed is my steering wheel, if you can see, is a little cockeyed, so I'll have to get an alignment to fix that. But overall, this thing drives wonderful. Cruise works, air blows cold, radio sounds good. We got probably about another 10-15 minute drive ahead of us, and this thing just cruises. Cruise control is important. This car's a little peppier than what I expected. It actually gets up and moves pretty good. But 108,000 miles, the interior's in great shape. I won't have to do much cleaning there. I'll need to source a bumper, maybe a hood. I don't know if you can see. That hood's got a little bit of shape to it. I may be able to readjust it, may be able to try. I can't see where it's bent. It looks like it's slightly tweaked, but I can't see where it's bent. It closes and latches just fine, but it looks like it could just be the reflection, but it looks like it had a little bounce to it. We're cruising along 65 mile an hour. I mean, just as straight as can be. So the kid did drive this last night, and he likes it. He accidentally used the paddle shifters. I'd explain to him what they were and how to get it out of that mode if he gets it in it. But I have never owned a Subaru. I've driven a couple of them and not very many. I'm not super familiar with these cars at all. But I can tell you this thing is comfortable. Power seat is nice. I mean, you know, I'm adjusted in good. The seats are very, very comfortable. I know a lot of people love these things. A lot of people love Subarus, and I've driven a WRX from work. I've driven a couple regular Imprezas, and this is the first Legacy I've driven, and this thing really is, I mean, it feels like a well put together car. I mean, it's comfortable. It's very quiet. Like this is probably one of the quietest older cars that I've been in. I mean, not a whole lot of road noise. It's all-wheel drive, which I kind of like for the kiddo personally. You know, little rain, little bad weather. This thing's got grip. You can hit a corner in it at a decent speed in it, and it holds. I didn't get too nuts. I mean, you hit a corner 40, 45 mile an hour in this car, and it hit a grip. It'll do it. You don't have to slow down a whole lot. It will handle. All right, well, I haven't got too long before I'm to the office, so let's get there, and we'll wrap this one up. And just like that, that's going to wrap it up. We made it with no issues. I think it's going to be a pretty good car. I'm going to see what I'm going to have to pay to get it. If you like stuff like this, consider subscribing to my channel. I have several videos on how to buy a cheap car for your kid. I've been through a couple of them. So, again, thanks for tuning in. I'll have another one together soon, and we'll see you then.